Wayne, can you walk us through getting a learning library transcript and uploading that into your learning units towards certification?
So since I'm looking for a CSI transcript, we'll go to the Learning tab here on the top and go to Learning Library Member Access. So the redirect works and it takes us to the home page for the Learning Library. You can also make it so that you whitelist pop-ups or allow pop-ups to occur. I'm going to click on my name up here, which will bring up my profile. And I'm going to go to the Certificates tab. And I haven't done anything in the last 30 days. I'll go for this year. And there are two courses that I took this year through the live presentations that CSI presents. And so since I want the certificate to upload to the website under my certifications, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to download that. It will come up here. And if I click on that, it will bring up this tab. But for right now, what I want to do is copy. And this was done by the Air Barrier Association. Let's use this one. So I'm going to copy, Control C, and then I'm going to go back to CSI. I have a bookmark, and then to my certifications. And then I'm going to attribute or add learning units. So the education name was a web reach, and the date for that was March 27th, 2025, and it was 1 hour. Let's try this. So we'll start at 0, and then we'll go to 1 hour. And then the provider was CSI National because it was a CSI web reach program. Even though ABAA was the subject matter expert presenting it, CSI is the provider. So I'm going to attribute that to both my CCCA and my CDT and use 1 hour. And this will be one of the 12 that I can use for 2 different certifications. And then I want to select my download. I can find it. All right, so I'm going to upload this certificate. So after a short time, the PDF file has uploaded with the certificate. There's a trash can in there that if you hover over the page, you can delete the file or remove the file. But we're not going to do that. We want to submit it. And so let's just scroll back up, make sure we've only attributed it to 2 of my certifications. Provider CSI National, whole building air tightness testing requirement updates, 3/27/25, 1 hour. So everything looks okay to me. So I'm going to hit the complete button. And so that was for CCCA and CDT. So I've got 2 in my CCCA and 1 in my CDT.